Morning guys, welcome to my channel. And market is open now. We will see what is happening in the Nifty. Nifty is going down. We will see the supporting numbers in the order flow. There are big zero zones in the Nifty, so we should be expecting more downside on the Nifty and the Bank Nifty. Bank Nifty is showing a minus 300 part. Big zero zones. This is the Bank Nifty. We will see what is happening on a 1 hour chart. A big downside is expected. This is the range I'm looking for, 49,900. So we will see what is going to happen in the near future. We will go back to the 5-minute chart. But according to the order flow, there are big sell orders. I mean, the trading is happening in the selling zone. I mean, what to say, supply zone. So the market is trying to reverse. However, it is the downtrend which has to follow. We'll go to the 1-minute chart here just to clarify what's happening in between. The selling cost is 300. Now it has become 600. There is a lot of support for sellers. The buyers are not able to bring the market up. See, this is the 1-minute candle. Market came down, it went up, and again it is coming down. There is a lot of strength on the downside. You can see the numbers here. This is the delta. Delta is negative, although this is not purely sell delta. This is positions from yesterday were closed or being closed currently. So the market is having a downside. No, absolutely no buyers. There are only sellers, and these are all executed orders from yesterday. People who are holding their short positions or long positions are covering today. Expiry, Bank Nifty expiry is on 11th. We will see whether this candle will hold. If there is trading in between this candle, then we can predict some direction. Otherwise, see, the delta is going down. Now there are pure buyers, pure sellers coming in. You can see this order. This is pure seller. See, whatever we teach, we have to keep it simple rather than making things complicated for the viewers. So I am trying to talk to you in layman language instead of technical words. The ultimate game is to make money, not use technical words or something. Where I've still not taken any position, but I will be taking a position on the downside, provided it holds, it comes till here and it does not cross this line. Here on the order flow, it should not be crossing this line, this order. I will be taking position as soon as it reaches there, or if it is not able to cross this candle. The numbers are weak. There are no strong numbers. Only the first candle is strong because there was yesterday's positions were, Friday's positions were closed. Now we will see if there is more downside from this point. This is the 5-minute candle I've changed again. See, now I am not taking any position. As I told you, it is not, it is broken this point. So now I will not be taking any position. I will see if I can trade on the upside if the delta supports. From 800 minus 800, the delta is gone to plus 74. So I will be waiting for the delta to change to more than 300 or 400 to take an upper side position. And the COT and the COT ratio also should be supporting. Now the COT and the COT ratio are supporting for the time being. The market is breaking on the upside. If it crosses that first candle, I will initiate a trade on the upside. However, this is for educational purposes only. I am telling you my insights, and if you are trying to take a trade, you should be consulting your SCBI certified advisor for taking a trade. It is not broken the today's market high, today's day's high. So we will wait for that to break. If that does not break, again the market is probably going down. There is no strong number to support the, see, all the orders what you see are small orders, nothing above 100. So there is no trade as such as of now. So this is the advantage of trading with order flow. So in this plain candle, we just don't know what is going to happen to the market in the next few candles. Only if it breaks this point, the day's high, we are going to initiate trade. And I prefer the closing above this point. If there is a closing above this point, I can take a trade. Closing of the candle is important. It does not, it is opening, and opening is not as important as closing. So there is little bit of strength building on the upside. The buyers are trying to push the market up. We will see whether they will be successful in doing so. So this gap has to be covered now. Only then we can expect a big upside till here. So now we have taken a long position with stop loss of 50,700. We are trading on the futures. We are not trading options now today. Option trader, for option trading, we want more big numbers. We will shift to option trading once there is a lot of liquidity. Now, since there is no much liquidity, we are trading with futures. 50,700 is the stop loss, and we initiated a buy trade around 50,720. 700 is the stop loss, and we are not keeping big stop loss. We don't mind taking 4, 5, 6 trades, but stop loss is very tight. We can initiate another trade instead of keeping 30 to 40% stop loss. So the stop loss has been hit. So we lost 20 points in the futures. So since there is no liquidity, we are not trading in options. And the market is very volatile. One candle is green, red, and green, red, green, and green, red. We want a decisive. See here, especially this candle is red, but the delta candle is green. The delta is also 129 in the plus side. So the market is still in the positive bias, and we have to wait for that candle to close. The market is in the upward bias, so be careful. Don't try to short the market now, because the delta is supporting the upside move. The closing of the candle is very important. We have still not initiated any trade. One trade was initiated with one lot of futures, and that is closed now. Market is still in an upward bias. The market has to touch 50,800, and then there will be some decisive upside till 51,000. Market is still in the upward bias. You see the delta is still supporting the buyers, although the candle is red. This is the advantage of order flow. Otherwise, in the plain chart, people think that only sellers are in the taking control of this candle. However, buyers are still in control of this candle. And the next candle also is opening in the green, and it is supporting the buyers. Simply sitting and taking a trade without reasoning will lead to big losses. So you always try to take help of your SCBA certified trading advisor. I will be right back, and now I'm taking a break for breakfast. I'll be back within 10 or 15 minutes, and a trade can be initiated only if the market crosses again the opening 50,700 on the upside. And if it breaks 50,550, a trade can be initiated on the downside with 50,400 as target for the downside, and 50,900 or 51,000 is the target for the upside. However, there is no much movement, and now the buyers are coming in. Now we are going to initiate one trade with the futures only. Now the buyers are coming in. You can see the delta 480 here, and the candle is bigger than this candle. See 204 and 507. So the new buyers are coming in, and smart money is also trying to come in with small numbers. The candle might, this candle or the next candle might break this point, and will go to 50,800, 850. We have still not initiated trade. We initiated any trade. We are trying to initiate at the right position. We will see whether it will cross this point, 50,700. Till then, trade carefully. I will be back in another 10-15 minutes. I have not initiated any trade as of now. See, there is a strong resistance at this point, at the blue line which I have put yesterday. That is the supply zone, so there is resistance at this point. The delta is shifting towards the negative now. The cart is also shifting towards the negative. You can see 39 and 8, here it is 80 and 104, 102. So the delta is 56 from 600. So it is going down. So if it breaks this point, we can initiate a trade with a stop loss of this point on the downside. To initiate a trade, there should be a follow-up. Only then we will initiate a trade. Here there was a little bit of follow-up, but there was a resistance here. Next support is around this point. This is support. The market will try to make its way to the support now. This is the supply zone here. You can see the supply here on Friday. Now it is again trying to play at the resistance. This is the supply zone. There are no big numbers, so there is no trade. We want big numbers, like at least this candle. You can see 200, 270, 260, 140, 130, 156. Big numbers like that only, with that big numbers only we can initiate a trade. Smart's money has not yet entered. They are sitting with a short position with this position here. So they are trying to keep the market in this range only. We will see what is happening in the Nifty. Nifty is also trading at the resistance. Resistance is here. This is the Bank Nifty. I am expecting the market to touch this point, give a big spike and again drop, or slowly go to today's low. As I told you, the market is trying to go down. Now with strong numbers on the sell side and absolutely no buyers. So here you can see the COT and the COT ratio. It is supporting the sellers 14.1 and 0.07 on the buy side. Buy side is absolutely almost close to zero and the sell side is increasing. So patience is the key for option buyers and option traders. This is an amazing tool which is OrderFlow. Here we can get to know we can get to see all the executed orders. They are not all waiting orders. They are all executed orders. So we will know in which side the market is interested in going. You can also see, because I am expecting the market to touch 49,900 before expiry. You can also see on buying normal positions instead of intraday positions and in less numbers. And however, this is for educational purposes only. You can do paper trading. Can do paper trading only. We are not SCBI certified. I am just sharing my insights on how to do order flow trading with order flow. So the market is trying to go down, and as I told you, there was a strong resistance here. And the market in a couple of days might end up coming to 49,900. This is Bank Nifty. Nifty. Nifty is also trading at resistance. It is not trying to go up because it is trading at supply zone. Nifty and Bank Nifty both are trading at supply zones. We will see what is happening in the daily chart. There are some big orders at the top of the candle, and again some big orders at the low of the candle. However, the trading is happening at the mid range of the candle, and we will see if this point of control can control this today's trade on the downside. This is the point of control for today. 50,820. All this is available only on OrderFlow, not on plain charts. These are all future charts. You can keep that in mind. These are all not spot. This is 5-minute chart. You can see the market is slowly trending down. From 563, it came down to 74. The market won't go in a straight line most of the time. There should be liquidity like what we saw on Friday. Only then we can trade in a particular direction. Friday was a massive trade on the downside, and it was supported by huge numbers for the downside. I request all of you who are watching to like and subscribe so that I can make more videos, and kindly join at 9:15 on all trading days. I will be live to help you guys, and this is only for educational purposes. I want to make sure that most of the traders are using order flow and not making any losses. This point is acting as a support now. You can see here also it bounced from this point, here also it bounced from this point, here also it has touched that point but never broke this point. If it breaks this point, more downside is seen. If it goes below this green point, we will see a trade up to 50,600 on the futures. If it breaks today's low of 50,560, there will be another 200 point downside expected. See, this is the way it should be. See, this is the point of support which was broken and the market is trending downwards. And now there is a little bit of liquidity push. Usually it goes in an N pattern, I told you. So you should follow this trend. It might come till here and again go down. This candle. So nothing to worry. Market bias. Market is trying to break on the downside. Although the buyers are trying to push it up. See, all of a sudden buyers came in and they want to push the market upside. We will see whether they will be successful. If they were strong enough, they should have broken this candle, and this candle should have gone up by now. Here on the left side of my screen. But it is going to trend downwards as per my analysis. They are not successful here because there is a big fight. You can see in the chart 480 and 480, 470, 470. So there is a big fight within buyers and sellers. So they are trying to push it downside, but the buyers are not successful to keep it up. The buyers are trying to push it up, but I don't think they will be successful in keeping it upside because they are trading in a supply zone. Supply zone, the buyers have to overtake the sellers and the smart money to keep the market in their direction, in the opposite direction of what the smart money people are trading. Going against the smart money is difficult, rather than we can go together with the smart money. Trading together with smart money is slightly better than going against them. I am expecting the market to go down because the numbers are not very strong on the upside. Although the delta is saying so, I am seeing only small numbers of buyers here. This 521, what you see is a covered covered order. People who had sold had just bought this 521 lots. So the trade is closed on they are closing the trade on the downside. They have not initiated any fresh positions here. Small numbers are only fresh positions. This 521 is not a fresh position. That is a covered position. Now this candle should break the low of the previous two candles, and only then the market will go down like a stone. You can see the cumulative delta and the delta both are negative. You can see orders only on the sell side and nothing on the buy side. Yeah, as I told you, the market is finding it difficult to go up, and now it is trying to go down again. We want it to break this point. We want the market to break this point. The previous three candles, low of the previous three candles, and then we will see. Now this market is again supporting the sellers. So we want this 50,720 to be broken to go for the market to go even lower. If that is broken, probably the day's low will be broken and a new downside will be developing. Market is Bank Nifty is trading in a range, very small range, and it is neither going up nor coming down. You will see what is happening. The Bank Nifty is delta is still supporting the sellers, and these are very small numbers, no, so there cannot be any trade initiated on either side, either on the upside or on the downside. You can see the numbers here, they're all very small. We need big numbers, at least like 500 on the delta or 300 on the delta to initiate one trade, and there should be a follow-up candle to initiate a trade. Just because one candle showed up with 500 delta, we cannot take a trade. We need follow-up numbers, just like what we saw on Friday. And we also understand that every day is not Friday, so there will be some sideways trading in a downward bias, but sellers will be supported. Option sellers can take a initiate a trade. They can sell both call and put if the market is trading in this band of 50,900 and 50,600. So I will be ending the live stream at 10:30. Another 5-minute candle. I will wait. If it is going to break any side, I will stay for a longer time. If it is trying to trade sideways, I will come back when there is liquidity. So try to trade and use order flow charts for better trading instead of jumping and losing money in trading plain candlestick charts. has to break this candle, this line, these two lines, either on the upside or downside, and should have a follow up to have a big trade. Market is trading with very small numbers. I mean, the bank Nifty is trading with very small numbers, so there is no lot of movement. I think now you got a little bit of insight about order flow and how trading will happen with order flow charts. It is all based on the numbers and delta and quart ratio. I will talk in the I will talk about footprints in the order flow training session, and we can get to know when there is a reversal of that trend. However, here the market is very volatile and we don't get to know the trend here, and there is no follow through in any direction. Market is moving in a side, bank Nifty is moving in a sideways direction. As I told you, on the order flow charts, it has to cross these two blue lines with a follow-up candle and decisively. Only then we can trade. Only then option buyers can initiate trade on that particular side. Okay, guys. Thanks for now. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe so that I can get more videos like this and I can be live for a longer period of time if more people are watching. Okay, thank you and have a good day. I will come back if liquidity is more. Good day, guys.